the mysterious river stone. Once upon a time, in the beautiful land of Manipur, there was a small village nestled between rolling hills and a meandering river. This village was known for its hard-working and close-knit community, but it also had a peculiar legend that intrigued both young and old. In the heart of the village, there was a massive, ancient river stone, smooth and gleaming with a deep, mysterious blue hue. The villagers believed that this stone possessed magical powers, and it was said to bring good fortune to anyone who could decipher its secrets. Luwang, always eager for an adventure, decided to uncover the secrets of the river stone. He believed that if he could understand its magic, he could help his village in times of need. As days turned into weeks and weeks into months, Luwang's dedication grew. He discovered that the river stone's magic was tied to the unity and kindness of the village. The stone's hue would change with the villagers' emotions, blue when they were happy and gray when they were sad. One day, disaster struck the village as a severe drought threatened their crops, and despair crept over the community. The river stone turned a deep shade of gray, mirroring their sorrow. He shares his discovery with the village, explaining that their unity and kindness hold the key to the stone's magic. The river stone gradually changes back to its brilliant blue color, signifying the return of happiness and prosperity. Luwang, now wise beyond his years, stands beside the river stone, emphasizing the moral of the story. Unity and kindness can turn even the grayest times into the brightest days. The village, flourishing once again, with a sense of togetherness and gratitude. Luwang's smiling face is content with the knowledge that true magic lies in the hearts of the people. This Manipuri folk story teaches us the value of unity, kindness, and community support in overcoming challenges.